The 2025 Honda ADV 160 has arrived in Brazil with a splash of style, offering two new color options, pearlescent red and metallic gray. While these fresh shades are sure to turn heads, they come with a slight price increase. The recommended showroom price is now 24,534 Brazilian reals, about $4,033, which is 1,474 Brazilian reals, around $242, higher than the previous year's model. Under the hood, nothing has changed. The ADV 160 continues to be powered by a 156.9 cubic centimeters ESP plus single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, paired with a PGM-5 fuel injection system. It delivers 15.82 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 14.7 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 RPM, all managed through a CVT gearbox and belt drive. Honda keeps rider safety in mind with hydraulic disc brakes at both ends, paired with ABS on the front wheel. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and preload adjustable rear shock absorbers with remote reservoirs, ensuring a smooth ride over various terrains. For convenience, the 780mm seat height is accessible to most riders, and the under-seat storage compartment offers a generous 30 liters of space, perfect for a helmet or daily essentials. The 8.1-liter fuel tank and a lightweight 133 kilograms body make it an ideal choice for city commutes and weekend getaways. The ADV 160 includes modern features like height-adjustable windshield for wind protection, Honda Smart Key system with an anti-theft alarm for added security, USB charging port to keep devices powered on the go, emergency stop signal (ESS), which activates rear brake light flashes during sudden braking to alert other drivers. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, deactivatable. The ADV 160 rides on a 14-inch front wheel with a 110/80 tubeless tire and a 13-inch rear wheel wrapped in 130/70 rubber, giving it a balanced and stable stance on the road. The Honda ADV 160 continues to be a versatile, stylish, and practical choice for riders, now with even more vibrant color options. The modest price increase is justified by the sleek new look and Honda's reputation for reliability. What do you think of the 2025 Honda ADV 160? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next videos.